I'm just trying to see where we are hitting it 40 yards. Okay. So it looks like most of the spread was lower. So I think I'm gonna raise it up about 4 clicks maybe. Look at that, we got some everywhere pretty much. You know what I mean? Like it was hitting up here too. Got 2 here, got 2 here, 3 on here, and then most of them are on the bottom one here. So that tells me I need to raise it up if I want to be hitting ready? I think we got our target. Same thing, I'm gonna move it off to the side. And the safety's on. I usually take my gun, but like I'm not far, so. All right. So I seen more bullets hit the center target here, and that's good. That's a good sign. So now, look at that. So, as you could, I don't know if you can see that. As you can see, there's way more pellets in it now. But I only had 2 pellets here last. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pellets here and way more pellets here. I'll move it up 4 more clicks. I think, yeah. 4 more clicks. At 40 yards. Ready? Let's do it. I already loaded it. It's ready to go. I'm ready. Let's go see our target. I'm gonna load it. Put the safety on. Shut off my red dot sight so I don't kill the battery. No. And I made this little thing. Usually people go buy them. Like $200 or something. Or no, $150 to $300. I've seen them at Cabela's, but I've seen videos on do-it-yourself, like DIYs, on how to make one of those to shoot off of. So that's pretty cool. So I moved it up 4 clicks. Right, here we are. These are all new papers. Look at that. More of it's still down here. I'll probably go 4 clicks up again, maybe. To be honest, that's a good. I was aiming for here. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on the middle here. And I got like a lot there. I moved it 8 clicks up. See where we're hitting now. Very loaded. Just got a pair hostage positioning and then turn my red dot on. You can see it. Take off my safety. I'm on the bullseye. Take your time. I think that was a good one. Alright, I reloaded it. Put the safety on. I moved it at a different angle and I also shut it off. Those are all the steps I'm taking. See, it's leaning that way into the bush. And the safety's on. I just don't want to carry it. while I'm zeroing it. I'm not too far anyway. So I moved it, was it 8 clicks? 8 clicks up, look at that. Now we're hitting the middle target, mostly. See? Well, I can't remember how much was there, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. And that's at 40 yards. So now I'm gonna try shoot this top one here at 50 yards. See where we're hitting. If I can even hit it. That's pretty far. So I'm thinking, I think it might be zeroed at, what is that, 40 yards roughly? And I don't know. I'm pretty sure 40 yards is accurate as they can get. There's no more in here, so I'll shut that off for a sec. I got it at 40 yards, but so now I jump back 10 more yards. And let's see where we're hitting. I aim for the middle papers. So if there's not many pellets, it's telling me this 50 yards is spreading it out now. Oh yeah, see? It's more of a spread out now. It is bullet dropping. It's bullet dropping. More of the pellets are hitting at the bottom. That is telling me that if I'm aiming at 50 yards, I gotta be aiming above its head. If I wanna get, but this, like if this thing is on the ground, if this is a bird and this was on the ground, it'd be dead for sure. This is 50 yards where I lined up. So it'd kill it for sure. So that's 50, huh? Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'll click it anymore. I think I'll just leave it where it is. Because I'm pretty sure at 40 yards, it's accurate as hell. So I'm gonna put this box out, I think, and try to shoot it. I think maybe at 50 yards. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, see if I can get it. So now I have my shotgun zeroed in for 50 yards, 40 yards, whatever. So this is at 50 yards. I'm gonna shoot. Shit, I should move this tape actually. Safety's off. I see the bird. I'm aiming just above its head. So let's go check that out. That's a very small target. There's no more anyway. That's my last bullet for zeroing in the shotgun anyway. I got all my bird shots ready for, I want to try to get some prairie chickens. I also seen what's it called? There's sharp-tailed grouse that are on the ground all the time. And then there's ruffed grouse, ruffed grouse. The ones that are in the trees all the time. There's a few spots I know now, so I'm gonna definitely check that out. All right, let's see if we kill our target at, what is it, 50 yards? Oh yeah, we killed him. Look at that. I was aiming for above his head, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 shots. That's kind of to the right. Huh. I might move it left 2, I think. Yeah, I'll move it left 2. But we're zeroed in. I was aiming for above his head, but right here. And I shot and look at where it hit. Try one more time and I'm not gonna try this shell after that. directly at it this time. Let's go check our target. Nothing in there. And I'll turn off red dots so I don't want to kill the battery. That one kicked my shoulder. I shot about maybe, I would say 10 to 15 shots today out there. So this target had, what was it? It had 5 shots in it. So now I aim directly at it, and look what happened, 40 yards. It's more centered now. I could see it. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 shots in it, and it's more centered now. So 40 yards, anything closer, it's dead on. Anything further, I'm aiming above it. Yeah. So now it's zeroed. Yeah, that's good. 50 yards. I'm aiming above it. Let's see if I hit it at least. Oh yeah, it's dead. Dead, dead, dead. 50 yards. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry. I didn't hit any of the center, but I was aiming for above, just above the black tape here. And look at where I got it, mostly on the ground. So if I was aiming twice the height, not here, but up here, I probably would have been spot on, dead on there. But